Hello, today it's Nicholas and RC Racing Ride here. Today I'm going to show you a little video of the cars I've got. I've only got a car just now, but it's going to get a bit better. I'm not got very much, so I'll show you what stuff I've got. There we go. I have a charger, it's a Ricoh quick charger for nickel metal hydride. I think that's only that's a very quick charger. Oh, sorry. I have a tool set. I have my remote, of course. That's a Akems gear. Akems. I have some 7-day shot batteries. I would go there, do a lot of good equipment for things like photography and other things. And there we go. And batteries. I've got one of them. I'm not sure what that's quite for. I think just take things outside the car. It's a wee screwdriver. Get that for it. That I've got a broken one of these, a very old electronic speed controller, very old. That one I think is broken and ruined, so it's just sitting in there until I get my new one. But I'm willing to say I'm getting a new car. I'm just scrapping this one. The project didn't work, so I gave up. So I've got an old pair of pliers or issues. Some batteries again, some more batteries that should be down there. Another battery right there, an older battery. I think it's about 20 years old, but it still works and charges. My car, it was a Sierra, Kyosho Sierra Cosworth RS500, very nice car. It's got ball race wheels. It's got an Asman Racing 3000mAh battery in it. It's got a brand new Tama. I think you've seen it in one of my other videos, is showing you the unboxing. It's all in the car now, and I've changed the plugs on them. A bit of plug into the electronic speed controller, but that one's broken, so it would have usually clipped in there like that. But they're broken, so no working. I've got tape, some spare tape to gaffer tape it. I have a wee one of these. Just got pliers and it's got in it, just a wee spare one of them for time being. Then I put that back in there. I've got a wee bit of, one of them, a quick wee key in there as well. And I have a bit of blue tack stuck in front of that for some main reason, for when I'm getting the car out. Sometimes it's quite hard getting things inside the car. Another one of them. A horn full of tyres, loads of tyres like that. Loads of tyres. And there's another one again. Then that's it. Then I go to, I think I've got loads of bolts and servo stuff in there. I've got probably most stuff for the car, as it says. I've got one of them. I've got some cable ties. I've got some oil, I think, and some other scrap stuff just in there, just in case. 8 batteries. I've got 8 batteries right here. Let me get a wee cover for a sec. There isn't in there. Actually, you can do that. There we go. Put the batteries in there. I'll just put all the stuff in there. Put that in there. Tape in there. That in there. I'm just putting all the stuff I don't particularly very much need. Just now all in there, in a wee bag. A wee box I've got. In there again. There we go, in there. That'll do. That can just stay out to one side, and that can go in there. Oops. So I'll try to get this in the box. It's just a wee 7-day shot box I had. I'm just putting it all in. There we go, and there it goes. Just sit it in. I'll sit it in when I put everything back in. And I'll put the car back in. There we go. Put the remote back in. Put the servo back in. Put that back in. Just over the car, I'll just sit it over the car, but it's heavy, but the car can withstand the weight. I'll put that at the back besides the batteries, and then all you do is, obviously it's a nice bag as well. I've got this bag came with it, this one for the road. All I'm just going to do is replace it with a new car. And thank you for watching, and bye.